All right, fellow hunters, gather around. Because today's alert is not just about a potential 100x gem, it's about a battle. A battle between retail investors like us and the massive hedge funds on Wall Street who are aggressively betting against a tiny, undervalued microcap stock. You heard that right. Wall Street hates this one. And when Wall Street hates something, it usually means there's massive upside for us. Everyone remembers the GameStop saga, the little guy taking on the giants. But what if I told you there's a penny stock, trading for mere cents, that's set up for the exact same kind of explosive short squeeze? This company is currently where BMNR, Bitmine Immersion Technologies, was before its meteoric rise. It's got the disruptive AI crypto pivot, the low float, and crucially, a staggering short interest that signals a powder keg ready to blow. Welcome back to Penny Gem Hunter. Let's expose Wall Street's biggest mistake. To understand the power of a short squeeze, let's revisit the BMNR Blueprint. BMNR was initially dismissed by institutions. They saw an old energy company and ignored its visionary move into Ethereum validation. Those who shorted BMNR then learned a very expensive lesson. Our pick today, let's call it Project Phoenix for now, is in a similar situation. It's an overlooked microcap, currently undergoing a fundamental transformation. They are not just dabbling in AI. They are building cutting-edge infrastructure for decentralized AI networks and advanced blockchain solutions. This isn't some speculative meme stock. This is a company with a tangible future. But here's the kicker. The institutions haven't caught on. Or worse, they've doubled down on their old narrative. The latest data shows an incredible short interest on Project Phoenix. We're talking about over 20% of its tradable float being held by short sellers. That is a massive number. These are the same banks and hedge funds who are confident this stock is going to zero. They are loaning shares and selling them, hoping to buy them back cheaper later. But they haven't factored in the fundamental shift happening within the company, nor the power of collective retail buying. Let's look at the chart. While the price has been consolidating, you can see these sudden spikes in volume, often followed by quick retracements. These are the short sellers attempting to push the price down. But look closely at the order book. Every dip is being bought up. This tells me that savvy investors, like you and me, are accumulating shares, effectively creating a buy wall. The longer the price stays compressed, the more volatile the eventual breakout will be. When the first piece of positive news hits, these short sellers will be forced to cover their positions, buying back shares at rapidly increasing prices, which in turn fuels the squeeze even further. So, what is the catalyst that could trigger this squeeze? Project Phoenix has several cards up its sleeve. First, they are expected to announce a major partnership with a leading AI research firm, validating their new direction. Second, their latest SEC filings hint at a significant capital injection, which would eliminate any liquidity concerns the short sellers might have. And third, with Bitcoin and Ethereum projected to reach new all-time highs in mid-2026, the entire crypto infrastructure sector is poised for a boom. This stock is a pure play on that boom, with the added bonus of a massive short interest. This is where the smart money is moving before the masses even know what's happening. Now, a serious word of caution. Fellow hunters, short squeezes are volatile. They are not for the faint of heart, and they can be incredibly risky. While the upside potential for a 10x or 100x gain is very real, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own thorough due diligence. This is a high-reward play, but it comes with high risk. I will be tracking Project Phoenix daily, monitoring the short interest data, and waiting for the exact moment the volume confirms the squeeze. If you want to be part of this exclusive hunt and get real-time updates, make sure you are subscribed to Penny Gem Hunter. Hit that like button to spread the word to other hunters, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our breaking alerts. The next GameStop moment could be just around the corner, and we want to be there for it. What do you think? Are you ready to take on Wall Street? Let me know your thoughts on short squeezes and microcap plays in the comments below. Happy hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.